going to be going through our inventory and showing you how to add in products to the system. So on this screen here, this is going to be where all your products are going to show that you already created on the system. And you can just click on one of them if you want to add in anything on a product, if you want to edit the pricing on a product, if you want to change the image on a product or anything like that on a description as well. If you want to maybe go in this product, let's say this product, if you want to maybe change it to another category that you maybe created, you can also change the categories here. Or like I said, if you want to change any pricing on a product, you can also do that there. You want to add in a new product to your system. You will click here in the top right-hand corner, which is Add Product. Then you're going to come to this window here, where you can add in an image on your product. Here you can type in the name of the product. You can do the description of the product. You can select a category on the product. Yeah, you can also choose between if you want to make it a standard standalone product, then it's going to just be a normal plain product that you create on this one. Here's going to be a product of variance. So in this one, you can also create a product. Let's say you're going to create a coffee and you want to do yes size. You can add in here small, and then you can add in large as well. And then you click on Add Variation. Then you can choose between the small or the large drink that you just added in on the attributes here. And on this one, you can add a composite product that's going to be something like if you make a basket. Let's say, for instance, you make a meat basket. Then you can choose between your products. Let's say they're calamari. And the chicken strips. Then you can also add in the chicken wings. Then this is also going to be the quantity that you can put in on the product. And that's going to be for the composite product if you want to add in a composite product as well. And like I said, you can add in the name here, the description, the category. And add in an image there as well if you want to. And if you are ready to create a product, you can just click on Add Product otherwise. If you just want to cancel the product and add it in afterwards, then just click here on Cancel. To search for any products, if you have too many products, and it's going to take too long to browse through here, you can just go to the search bar here. Then you can type in the product name or the brand or the category. Then you get to search their product here. For you to add in categories on your product, you can go here on categories. Then you can just edit your categories here. If you already have categories, change the color and everything. Or you can just click here on Create Category in the top right-hand corner. Then you can type in the name. You can choose the color that you want to add in the category. If you want to add in any brands, like if you have a shoe store or anything like that, you can just type in here the brand. You can just create here like Nike or anything like that. You can just add a brand. If you want to do a stock take, you just click here on Stock Take. Then you can click here on New Stock Take. Here, it's going to bring up a new tab, which is your full count or partial count stock take. So if you want to do a full count stock take, you can just click on Start here. Then it's going to bring up all your products here. It's going to show overview and progress. It's going to show you all the remaining there on the top, the expected quantity. And here's going to be the next pages of everything that you need to do the stock take on. All the ones that shows here that in the minors, you need to put in the quantity, you put in quantity as well. Then once you are done with your stock take, you click on Complete. Otherwise, you can just cancel the stock take. For the partial count stock, take a click on the partial count. Then you choose by category if you want it. Then you can say starters. Or you can choose by brand as well. Then you click on Start. Now it's going to bring up all your starter stock, so just everything under your starters. You can do everything here as well. Just type in a quantity. Then the progress bar here will then change, and it will show the progress if it's going to be under or completed. Once you click here on Complete, let me just cancel that. Today we're going to go through the suppliers, the stock orders, stock received, and stock returns. So we're going to show you how to add in suppliers and how to do all those here on the side. So firstly, we're going to be on this page where it shows your suppliers that you created. And here's going to be an option to add in your supply if you want to add a new supplier. Here you can add in the supplier name, you can add in an image, and all the necessary information with a physical address, a contact information. And if you are done with all that, you can just click on the Add button to add in your supplier. If you just want to maybe edit anything on a supplier, or add in a new address or a new image to the supplier, you just click here on one of these suppliers. Here you can add an image. You can change the name, change anything on the supplier that you want to. Once you're done with that, you can just click on Update. If you want to maybe search for supplier, a bar here, you can search for suppliers. And if you maybe want to delete a supplier that's not going to supply for you anymore, just click on a supplier. Then you click on Delete. Then it's going to delete the supplier for you. Next is going to be the stock orders. So you just click on here on the Order Stock option. It's going to show you the date. You can just put in a reference, choose the supplier you want to order from, then you can add a note. Choose the products you want to order from that supplier. Here you can put in the delivery information, the delivery date as well. Then, once you're happy with everything, you can click on Process. Then it's going to process that new stock order for you. Otherwise, you can just click on Cancel and save it as a draft to continue later on with that, or just delete that stock order here. On the stock receive as well, just click on Receive Stock. Here's going to be the date. You can put in a reference. Choose the supplier as well. Choose your store location. You can add a note. Here's going to be the list of the products that you want to receive then. So let's say you receive that product. You can edit the quantity as well. You can edit a note. And once you're happy with everything, you can just click on Process. Then it's going to process that stock receipt for you, or you can just cancel and save it as a draft for later on. Or if you just want to delete it, you can just click on Delete as well. The next one is going to be your stock returns. Here's going to be the date, the reference. You can here choose the supplier as well. Return from your store or whichever store it's going to be. You can add a note here. You can add up the products as well. You can put in the delivery information with the physical address and delivery date in here as well.